Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Cash FPV. Still on the beginner's guide on what to get and what to avoid when getting into the FPV hobby. Today I'll be unboxing the M6D Dual Smart Charger. As it sounds, Dual Smart Charger means it can charge two batteries simultaneously, and also the ADP100 adapter. They work hand in hand. So I'll be unboxing both the adapter and the charger, so you can see what is inside the box, and then we'll plug it in and see what the user interface looks like. So guys, let's get to it. This is the ADP100 AC/DC adapter by 2RC kit. It's a 100-watt charger with 20 volt outputs, and also it supports AC 100 to 240 volts, 50-60 Hz, 1.5 amps input. It supplies DC of 20 volts and 5.0 amps with XT60 output. And this is the M6D Dual Smart Charger. It comes in black and other color, but I think this is the black color. It's a 500-watt charger with 2.4-inch IPS LCD, dual channel and multi-language support. Input voltage ranges from 7 volts to 28 volts at maximum of 30 amps. It can charge different types of battery actually, from LiPo to lithium high voltage, lithium ion. Maximum battery this can charge is 6S. And also it can charge 500 watts synchronously. That means when you plug both channels together, it can supply up to 500 watts, but individually it can charge up to 250 watts. It has a USB output as well, 2.1 amps at 5 volts. So let's see what is inside the box and plug it in. Let's see what the user interface looks like. Okay, so this is the adapter. It comes with a power cord. It plugs directly into AC. This is the adapter with an XT60 output, because the M6D Dual Charger uses XT60 as input, so you can charge it with other lithium polymer batteries. So you can have a big pack when you're going to flying field, then you plug that in to charge other batteries. So let's talk about other things inside the box. Okay, comes with a USB to USB cord and a toolkit RC user manual, including all the instructions to use this smart charger. Okay, this is a screen guard for the 2.4-inch IPS display. So this is everything inside the box. Let's see the charger itself. This is what the M6D Dual Charger looks like. It has two XT60 ports and a balanced connector here up to 6S, from 2S to 6S. So the minimum this charger can charge is 2S and the maximum is 6S. The input is also XT60, support from 7 volts to 28 volts, and it output 5 volts 2.1 amps from the USB port. It has a cooling fan here, then a vent. So I'll plug this in so we can see the user interface when talking about different types of battery and how to charge lithium ion, lithium polymer and lithium high voltage. We'll talk about how to set up the charger and everything. So we'll just plug it in and see the user interface. There's a scroll wheel here, just like the TX16S, and also a button here. So plug it in. This is the user interface of the charger. Immediately I plug it in to open this port. So one of them is for the first channel, which is this left channel, and the second one is the other channel. So once you click the scroll, you can access the menu. Go to here, change the battery, lithium polymer, lithium high voltage. This is back button. So when charging the battery, I'm talking about types of battery and how to charge them. You set up this charger and actually charge a battery with it. But this is what the UI looks like. It has different mode, cell, charge, and everything. So this is what everything looks like. So guys, please, if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. I'll be uploading different amazing content on FPV drones. Thank you very much.